Hello friends and family, welcome back. If you are new here, welcome. I would love it if you both comment down below so that I can interact with you guys and so that I can welcome you if you are new. If you're returning, thank you for your support. Today we are going to be reviewing Live Glam. Live Glam is a monthly Lippie subscription for $19.99 a month. You receive 3 full-size Lippie products every month in a collection. You can also change out that collection if you do not like what they have for that current month. So if you are interested in all of those things and you want to see what's in this month's bag, then please just stay tuned. Alright you guys, so as I was saying, Live Glam is a monthly Lippie subscription for $19.99 a month. You usually receive 3 full-sized items, however sometimes you get lucky and they throw in a 4th, and it could be like a lip scrub, a lip balm, a lip liner, a lip bullet. So it's a variation of all of the things. You can review them and receive points as well so that you can use it towards buying other lippies or other types of makeup. So keep that in mind. Here is the August collection. It is called Summer Crush for August 2021, and they look like they're a bunch of mauve colors, which I am all about. Ooh, we get a lip pencil this month. I'm so excited. You do always get a nice little silk bag. I love these for the inside of your purse. You can put your pens and your makeup in here and it will not damage the inside of your bag or your purse or whatever. Let's see. And then here is what we've got. So every month the collection will have like the lids will have the same kind of theme going on, and it's just really fun. I think they're really great to build your lip collection. I also think, you know, they are very good quality. They dry on very well and they don't dehydrate your lips. So that is my favorite part about this. Let's see. First we've got, all right, so I usually do try these on. It's not the best application. It's just something that we can see to get an idea of how they look, how they perform, and all of those things. So I always go with the lightest one first, just because the darker one is always hardest to wipe off. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the lip pencil this time. This one is called Heartthrob, and look at how gorgeous this is. Look how cute the packaging is on this. It's little hearts, and then it says Live Glam. And you can sharpen these very easily. So let's go ahead and put that on the skin. Ooh, I love this. Yes, okay. All right, let's go ahead and see what that looks like. Okay, so I kind of just want you to see how I outlined the lips. It's a very pretty color. It's a little bit lighter than I thought that it was going to be when it was applied. Still really like the color. I'm gonna go ahead and fill that in with the next color here. This one is called Hottie, and they do give you like a little inspirational thing, or not inspirational, but a little fun saying here. So Hottie, it says, got your eye on that special someone. Hot girl summer means shooting your shot. This daring rosewood matte shade gives you the confidence you need to let your guard down and potentially score. What? Flirty? Check. Fun? Check. fabulous, check. So there's that for you. I do notice all of the applicators are the same, nothing wrong with them, are the same across the board. Ooh, look at how gorgeous. It does have that little bit of rosewood tint that they were mentioning in there. Very pretty. I do love this for a fall color. I do definitely think it has a little bit of that terracotta feel to it. I think it'll go perfect for this fall season. I love it. The whole getting ready for fall vibe. Definitely a win in my book. All right, let's move on to the next. All right, the next one is Cabana Boy. Need a refill on that daiquiri? Cabana Boy is here to serve. Whether you're beachside or poolside, this striking matte fuchsia rose lippy adds a dazzling finish to your makeup. Kiss-proof and photo-worthy. Ooh, I like it. All right, here is that same applicator. We're gonna put that next to the other color there to get an idea. Oh yeah, so this one is a little bit more pinky toned. So let's put that on thy lips. Oh, I definitely like this color as well. I do feel like it's the transitioning into fall shade as well. I think both shades are very lovely, and I do think that this whole thing does go very well together. I do love the Summer Crush. We are at the end of summer, so I do feel these can carry into the fall season. So yeah, you guys, let me know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram. Let me know what you thought of this collection. If you receive it, if you're interested in it, I will have a link down below. I may earn points. I don't know. Nobody's ever subscribed through my link. So I do believe they say that you do earn points, which would be awesome. So yeah, let me know what you guys thought, and we will see you in our next video. Bye!